Hi, I'm Kopi Pulitzer, and I'm the founder and chairman of Low Cost Animal Medical Center, a nonprofit veterinary clinic in New Orleans, Louisiana. I'm also the inventor of the scrub rack system. Come on in, I want to show you how we started this. A few years after opening, I noticed that on our heavy surgery days, it took a substantial amount of time for our techs to individually clean and prep a massive amount of dirty surgical instruments. I thought to myself, there must be an easier way to clean these instruments rather than one instrument at a time. So I searched the web and I found nothing. Envisioning a solution, the scrub rack system, I created an instrument that holds surgical instruments face down. It's easy to transport and it's so unique that we are patent pending and we should have our patent any day. I am very proud of how the scrub rack system allows techs to clean and prep surgical packs far faster and easier than ever before. And if you try it, you and your techs will be amazed of how the system organizes and speeds up your operations. This saves you time and money. And with the scrub rack system, you can also see what surgical instruments you have and what surgical instruments are missing. Now, I manage and am responsible for this clinic, the health and financial well-being. So I know the importance of balancing the purchasing of medical equipment that my doctors want with a good return on the investment of the money being spent. The scrub rack system will do both. It will make your people faster and save you money. It will also make your people happier because it's so much easier than other methods. By keeping our costs low and not using an outside sales organization or any sales organization, there is no commission. And we have passed these savings to you in our pricing to make it that much more affordable. I am so confident that you will love the scrub rack system that if, after using it for 6 months, you determine, and I mean for any reason, you determine you don't want to keep it, just return it to us. In appreciation for you trying the system, keep the ultrasonic cleaner as our gift. I want to personally thank you for visiting our website. If you ever have any questions about the system or how it works or like to place an order, give me a holler, 504-324-1777. Thank you again for taking the time to consider the scrub rack system. It is truly appreciated.